Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set a missed call reminder or callback reminder for a missed call. Keeping track of missed call is very tough. So under iOS 26 update, Apple brings you for reminder for your missed call alert. Go to your phone app and here go to recent calls and look for any missed call. Look for it. You can easily set a reminder for your missed call in futures. So if you want to again go to any missed call and slightly slide left side, slightly slide left side, slightly slide left side, and a blue icon will appear. Simply tap on this blue icon and here remind me in 1 hour, remind me tonight, remind me tomorrow, and remind me later. Various type of option available, so you can choose any one of them. Remind me in 1 hour, remind me tomorrow, or remind me later. After tapping remind me later, you will choose a date and time from which you want to receive this reminder to call again. So you can easily set a callback reminder for all your missed call in iPhone under iOS 26 update. So simply tap on blue icon and choose any one of them. If you want to choose remind me in 1 hour, then iPhone will remind you under 1 hour. That's all.